Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn the phonic sounds of English alphabet. Before I going to start the video of a demo, I want to share some points about phonetics. The word phonetics comes from the word phone, that means sound. Each letter of our English alphabet have their own sounds, and these sounds are called speech sound or phonic sounds. And there are 44 sounds in our English alphabet. Out of these, 20 are called vowel sounds and 24 are called consonant sounds. Okay, now I am going to start our demo videos, how to teach the phonetic sounds of our English alphabet in your classroom. Okay, let's start. Good morning, students. How are you? I know you all are good, and I am also good. Okay, students, have you seen any drum? Does a drum have any sound? Yes. How? This dum 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 is like this. Am I right? Okay. It's like our musical instruments, our alphabets, our letters have some sounds, and these sounds are called speech sound or phonic sounds. So today we are learn about our phonic sounds of English alphabet, and you all are repeat with me. Okay. A for apple, A for ant, a a a a a a. B for ball, B for bat, b b b b b b. A for apple, A for ant, a a a a a a. B for ball, B for bat, b b b b b b. C for cat and C for cake, k k k k k k. D for dog, D for drum, da 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 da. E for egg and E for elephant, E for egg and E for elephant, a a a a a a. F for fan, F for frog, f f f f f f. G for goat and G for grass, g g g g g g. H for hand, H for hen, ha 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 ha. I for ink and I for insect, e e e e e e. J for juice, J for jug, j j j j j j. K for kite and K for king, k k k k k k. L for lamb, L for leaf, la 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 la. M for man and M for monkey, ma 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 ma. N for nose, N for neck, na 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 na. O for ocean, O for war, wo 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 wo. P for plum, P for parrot, p p p p p p. Q for queen, Q for quail, q q q q q q. R for rose, R for red, r r r r r r. S for sun and S for snake, S for sun and S for snake, s. T for tap, T for top, t t t t t t. T for tap, and T for tub, tut tut tut, tut tut tut. U for uncle, U for umbrella, uh uh uh, uh uh uh. V for violet, V for violin, w w w, w w w. W for well, W for water, w w w, w w w. X for box and X for fox, x, 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 x. Y for yacht and Y for yellow, yo yo yo, yo yo yo. Z for Jew, Z for zebra, J J J, J J J. Thank you. My dear students, do practice these phonic sounds and subscribe the channel to get more videos. Thank you.